In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage groups. To create a group, click on the chat icon. In the chat page, you'll find a plus button to create groups. Click on it to get started. Provide a name for your group and select the members you want to add. Once you're ready, click on the Create button. Voila! You've created the group. Click on the group name to view its members. From here, you can send text messages, share files, and more. By default, the creator of the group becomes the admin. The admin can make any other member as admin and add a logo for the group. At any time, you can leave the group. Simply click on the Leave Group icon from the More Options menu. Confirm your decision to leave the group, and you're done. And that's it. You successfully created and managed a group on Roombr. Keep collaborating seamlessly.